Good morning. So, it's another day and it's time for breakfast. So the morning meal is coming up now. So we're just going to wait for that chime and then I will do what I do.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다. I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
Yeah, it looks like I accidentally forgot my mask. Hope nobody notices. All right, so let's get these glasses off. Let's get this bag open, see what's in it. Hopefully there's lots of good things in here today. Ooh, that looks great. Egg, edamame, and mandarin orange. We're off to a good start. Orange juice, or if you speak Korean, it's orange juice in Korean. Water, essential for life. More water, very essential. All right. The ever-present Big Bun breakfast sandwich. It has that same stuff on it. It's got a little bit of, this time I believe it's ham. And then if you peel back the ham, there's this gooey stuff. I believe it's just some sort of whipped up egg. We'll try it, see if I've decided that's what it definitely is. I'm still not decided, but that must be what it is. Let's see what the orange juice tastes like today. For those keeping track, I'm over the hump. Just got a few more days left, it seems like. I've got my exercise routine down. My eating routine with my orange juice. Before we get too far into the meal, I believe this is a cookie. Cookies come first. Before eggs, orange juice, and edamame. I know what they taste like. Tastes great. You know, I need about a dozen more cookies a day. Then life will be blissful. As normal, the cookie's crumbly, but delicious. It's a sandwich cookie covered in chocolate. I believe the center is some sort of marshmallow. If you've had them at home, they are still good. I don't normally like marshmallows by themselves, but in this cookie, it's quite delightful. I need a dozen more every day. If someone could deliver a dozen more every day, I'd be happy. Eat it before breakfast. A dozen cookies. For another day, I'm sure. Well, that's... I think I've sampled everything here. The important thing to realize is when you're on lockdown, enjoy life, dress well, and don't let the little things get you down. I don't even know why I have a fork today. Well, there's nothing to eat with a fork. Oh well, don't eat it. I'll clean up later. The orange juice tastes great. Orange juice. Water tastes like water. Actually, it's pretty good spring water. The brand name is something I'm not familiar with. It must be something just in Korea. Again, this is not a sponsored video by these people, the Mont Best company. What it is this is what they've given me to eat. Not Mont Best, but the people in the government that have decided that this is the best way to prevent the disease spread of coronavirus. And so we're abiding by their edicts, and we're staying indoors. So another few days and we'll be out in the open, can do whatever we want. There's quite a few of us in the hotel. I believe it's got maybe 12 or more floors, not more than, I don't think, 14 floors. I believe in this hotel there's no 13th floor like many hotels. It just skips that one. And so you just move right along. And the first floor is always a floor above the lobby floor. There's lobby, then the first floor. And that's pretty standard. And then they don't have a mezzanine floor, so that always confuses the issue when you're counting floors. So I'm on high above the cityscape, around the 10th floor for me. Well, again, that's about it. I'm going to sign off with the normal tone and then the message from the government that instructs us to eat our food. I'm out.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다. I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты, возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.